Avalanche AVAX is a decentralized finance DeFi platform and protocol that is set to revolutionize the finance world. Built on top of Ethereum, Avalanche has been designed to enable fast, secure, and low-cost transactions and asset transfers, as well as provide an expansive infrastructure for building decentralized finance DeFi applications. Since its launch in 2020, Avalanche has already seen an impressive growth, with its native AVAX token becoming one of the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. As the DeFi industry continues to expand and mature, it is expected that Avalanche will be at the forefront of the movement, providing a platform for developers and users to take advantage of the latest DeFi innovations and protocols. As the protocol's infrastructure continues to grow and mature, Avalanche is expected to become a major player in the DeFi space in the near future. By 2023, it is expected that Avalanche will be one of the leading protocols in the DeFi space. It is expected that Avalanche will continue to innovate and expand. The AVAX token is expected to continue to experience strong growth in the coming years, with its market capitalization expected to double by 2023. As the demand for the AVAX token increases, so too is expected to its value. This will in turn benefit the entire Avalanche network, as more users and developers flock to the platform to take advantage of the latest DeFi innovations. In conclusion, Avalanche is expected to make a major impact in the DeFi space in the coming years, as its infrastructure and community continue to grow. The AVAX token is expected to experience strong growth, with its market capitalization expected to double by 2023. As the demand for the AVAX token increases, so too is expected its value, benefiting the entire Avalanche network.